So standardization of your design in terms of font type, colors, heights of your columns, heights of your strips is very important if you want your websites to look professional. So let's see a real life example of how to use this standardization technique. So I'm going to go into my mobile site and I'm going to find out what's the height of my heading strip here. So it's about 150, and let's check the size of the font. So it's 60 here. So I want to make sure that this is standardized across all of my pages. So I'm going to first increase the font size here to 60. And I'm going to increase the height to 150. And so I could go ahead and repeat this and do this for all the different fonts and column heights. And in order to make sure I don't forget these settings, I tend to save all these settings on a document that I keep referring back to anytime I want to know what type of font I'm using or what the height of a strip should be. Here's a document that I use a lot. And so I'm going to write here under the mobile strip height that the dimension is 150 for the header. I'll write here orange header. And also the font, mobile font header is 60. This is something I can always leave the website. I can come back to it at any point of time and I'll know exactly what the settings should be so that I can keep it standardized. Similarly, I have something for design here. And under the design dimensions, every time I have to make a YouTube graphic, for example, I can come to the design dimension sheet here. I can know what the dimensions are and I can design my graphic in those specific dimensions. So download this document from musiccourseonline.com. I'll keep updating it as time goes by. I'll leave a link in the description and make sure that you keep your font types, color schemes, desktop strip heights, mobile strip heights, animation. Make sure that you have a standardized workflow to save you a lot of time and give your design a professional look.